Dad, soldiers are so brave, aren't they?
Yes, Akshit. They are indeed brave.
You just used a describing word.
Describing word? What is it, Dad?
Well, describing words are like pieces of a puzzle for sentences. They tell us more about the things, people, or places we're talking about.
Oh, is brave like a special word that tell us about the soldiers?
Exactly. Brave is an adjective, a describing word that tells us about the courage and strength of the soldiers.
Cool. Can you give me more examples?
Sure, let's see. Mehek is a pretty girl. Here, pretty is a describing word that tells us about how Mehek looks.
Okay, I understood.
Here's another one. I have a red bicycle. What does red tell us about the bicycle?
Is it the color of the bicycle?
Exactly. I think that you have now understood. Describing words help us add more detail and make our sentences more interesting. Let's see. My uncle has a big house. What does big tell us about the house?
The size of the house.
Perfect. And one more. These mangoes are sweet. What does sweet describe?
The taste of the mangoes.
Exactly. See, describing words make our sentences more meaningful.